Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Kaba Ilco. This is their part number R2800N, number 5-00-10. This is a number 5 cam that's going to be used on their interchangeable core housings, their interchangeable cores. This is a number 5 cam, that means Sargent Yale. There is a table down below this video showing the 7 different cams available for their IC core housings. And you can review those. Let's take some dimensional properties of the number 5. The point of the number 5 is if you ordered an IC housing and the part number was IC housing part number and then had a 5 at the, between the end of the part number and the finish, it's going to give you a number 5 cam. That's the point. Some dimensional properties of this cam. Let's go over it now. In no particular order, the overall height of the cam, 1.038. 1.038 overall height. The length of the cam actuating portion alone from its shoulder .461. Width 0.173. Inside dimension of the slot for where it's going to fit on the back of the housing, 0.463. 0.463, and then a width of that, .146 wide, an approximate center to center on the screw holes. Just kind of judging that there, eyeballing it so to speak. 0.258. 0.258 center of this hole to the center of that screw hole. Okay, typical cam thickness. Okay, they call it Sargent L cam. You're going to need to review the requirements. If you're doing a Sargent lock preparation or a Yale lock, I would go to their catalog and get an idea of what their cam looks like, get some dimensions of that original cam, see if the dimensions I just provided are going to work for you. Cams are measured, and I didn't give you the one dimension that they're probably going to refer to. Which is going to be roughly 0.742 inch from the center of the prep to the tip of the cam. 0.742. I'm sure it'll be close to that. And that's what I do when I'm running a Kaba Ilco cylinder into someone's lock body. Like I've done a number of. I did a job in New Orleans one time for a client who needed a dozen or so small case mortise deadbolts. Yale's small lock case, that's 4 3/4 tall on the edge plate. But they wanted, I don't remember the keyway. It may have been an Arrow keyway or a common Schlage keyway, and I needed to get the proper cam for that lock body, which was the Yale cam, so that I could pass the client's existing key into it. They didn't want a standard Yale keyway for whatever reason, but wanted that Yale lock body, but had a Schlage or an Arrow, some run-of-the-mill keyway, and we were able to accomplish that. I went to Yale's catalog, said, okay, these are the dimensional requirements of the cam that I have to have. Made sure that the Kaba Ilco was going to be dimensionally compatible. Cylinders came, keyed them, put the cams on, tested it all. Worked perfectly. So that's how I go about doing it. Finally, there is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Kaba Ilco products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. And by the way, the -10 of the part number just means 10 in a package. You can buy any quantity that you want. This client happened to buy 10. Any questions on the Kaba Ilco R2800N number 5 cam or any other Kaba Ilco product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.